Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Kanzariya and day 27. How to improve a communication skill with the English language. The first one, I make a new era of my lifestyle. Why? Because today I have a very interesting share for you. I make my planner and which type of work of the next month and how to manage a tuition classes as a coaching center and my personal YouTube channel. That is the make a planner, right? Why you are a use of a planner? Because everyone are to as a directionless, and you are not a properly propaganda for your life which one destination your dream you are not a find, and that is the start of new beginning of your life. So for example, that is the a new revolution of your life, but reality are to change. So you are not a destination are to properly day by day to you make a offer for your life. You are not about a dream. That is a low hole of your start, a collapse of your all our empire. That's the importance of a manage. Okay, and next one, start a new beginning. As a beginner, you are not a properly and not a perfection as a body language, as a communication skill, and not a properly shoot a video. But one limitation, you are a break your mindset. Mentally strong personality you build and level up a new journey start for your life. For example, every product with a purpose, with a manage. For example, this is a pen. Only for one purpose, this pen are to write as a right direction, right angle to properly written in a knot. But that is the angle is not a properly to attach and not touch a page. That is the not a good result. Not write down your thoughts in a page. That is a simple right direction and right one to detect of your my new life. So literally, I change of my thoughts, I change of your my perspective, I change of my new lifestyle. Why? Because I'm as a beginner, but one day I achieve my everyone dream. First one, I write down after thoughts, input, output, and remember all of time. That is the one day you are to result. It is a final and crystal clear. So don't waste your time. Don't waste your dream. First one, you note down after you want to decide which one is important in your life. Okay, and last moment I share a last life learning moment for day 27. First one, you are start now. Start now, bro. Why? Because every one person are too distinct, directionless, and only for 1% chance you are to get next empire on. Thank you so much. You watch my day 26 English log. Okay, thank you so much, dear.